Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You have broadcaster access and your streaming app installed. Open Streamlabs or Stream Elements now and sign in with Twitch. This connects alerts to your channel. Once done, grant the requested permissions so the alert service can read follows, subs, bits, and donations. Make sure to keep your OAuth token private and ready if the setup asks. This first step links your account and enables live event detection, which is why it must be completed before continuing. Now you configure the core alert types. Choose follows, subscriptions, bits, donations, and raids that you want shown. This determines what the alert service listens for. Then customize visuals. Pick an alert theme, upload images, set animation length and sound volume so they fit your stream's pace. Make sure to apply filters, ignore bots, set subscriber-only alerts, or require minimum donation amounts, because filtering reduces clutter and keeps alerts meaningful for viewers. Finish by adding the alert widget as a browser source in OBS or your streaming software, pasting the provided URL into a new source, and positioning it on your canvas. Test alerts using the service's test buttons and watch for timing or overlap. Adjust size, position, and Z-order so alerts don't block important content. If something fails, refresh the OAuth token, reauthorize Twitch permissions, and clear browser cache. This resolves most connection issues and gets alerts working reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.